Did you know Rome's greatest enemy was likely a black African general who nearly destroyed the empire before it even began? Hannibal Barca of Carthage was described by Roman sources as having dark skin and distinctly African features. He wasn't just any commander, he was a tactical genius from North Africa. In 218 BCE, this African military mastermind did the impossible. He crossed the treacherous Alps with 40 elephants and 90,000 men, marching straight toward Rome's heart. For 15 brutal years, he devastated Italy, winning every single major battle against Roman legions. The Romans were so terrified they fled their own capital when he approached. He came within mere miles of capturing Rome itself. Yet Roman historians deliberately downplayed his African identity, unable to accept their greatest threat came from Africa. His revolutionary tactics are still studied in military academies worldwide today. Hannibal Barca remains history's most brilliant African general, the man who almost ended Rome before it truly began.